let's make breakfast for lunch, or dinner, or breakfast, or both. Anyway, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of your boy Jabril, and today we're doing breakfast sandwiches. Healthy breakfast sandwiches, because we've done breakfast sandwiches before, but we're doing healthy breakfast sandwiches, and in fact, we're doing a healthy bagel breakfast sandwich. So, before I get too far ahead, if you are new, make sure you hit that sub and notification button for me. Make sure you share this with your friends and family. Enjoy. Alright, so for this breakfast sandwich, I have some turkey sausage that we're going to make into sausage patties. I got a couple eggs that will crack, and we're all doing this on the Blackstone, by the way. Fun fact, in case you haven't figured out by the title. Yeah, Blackstone. So, 2 eggs that we'll put on this sandwich. And then I got some mozzarella cheese that will melt. And then I'm going to make, I guess basically, it's just forever going to be known as the McDonald's copycat sauce. So I have kind of my own version. But we're going to do olive oil mayo, a little bit of salt, some lemon juice, some dried dill. I'm going to use Dijon mustard, and then we'll add a splash of W sauce to that. So, let's make the burger sauce, or not the burger sauce. I've done so many burger videos, it's burger sauce, but breakfast sauce. So let's make that first, and then we'll head out to the Blackstone. We'll toast our bagels, and then cook our eggs, cook our sausage patties, and I'm going to do 2.5 ounce patties for the turkey sausage, and then we'll come back and try it out. Let's go ahead and make the breakfast sauce. So I will put the recipe for this in the description below for you guys. And I'm just gonna make a small batch for this because I don't need a lot. I'm only making 1 sandwich. But for this, I need about 2 tablespoons of mayo. Okay, then about a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. Just a little bit of salt, probably about a 1/4 teaspoon, maybe even 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, a 1/2 teaspoon of dill, 1/4 teaspoon of W sauce, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Okay, and give that a mix. Okay, set this guy off to the side, put him in the fridge, but let's head outside to the Blackstone. Let's go fire it up. Alright, so we got our sauce, we got our 2 eggs, cheese, and I melted the cheese, toasted the bagel, and then I got some sausage patties. Let's assemble a sandwich. Got my plate, got my bagel, and I'm going to go ahead and put sauce on both sides because I like my sauce. Okay, then I'm going to do 2 sausage patties. Okay, then my 2 eggs. Okay, and there you have a nice, healthier breakfast sandwich. Let's try it out. Alright, I'm starving. I'm excited. This should be messy because I undered the eggs just a little bit. But cheers. And look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Wow. So, this sandwich is divine. That runny egg, Carb Smart bagel. That's pretty solid. And then the breakfast sauce actually kind of pairs quite nicely with the turkey sausage. Because it's that mustard-based sauce, and it's also mayo, so it gives a little bit of love to the sausage because you know it's a lot leaner and adds a little bit of moisture. And the runny egg just helps a lot. Daddy likey. Well, guys, there you have it. A healthy breakfast bagel sandwich made with lots of love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys are new, make sure you hit that sub button for me. Throw a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. And as always, peace out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!